This is Becky from Createitstudios Studio Architects. This video is about CDM regulations. Client's duties. In our previous video, we gave an overview of the CDM 2015 regulations. In this short video, we will look at the client's duties in more detail. CDM regulations provide a mechanism to help reduce and minimize risk in construction by assigning legal responsibility to key people involved in any given construction project. Health and safety responsibilities and project duties are divided between duty holders, which include the clients, designers, contractors, and workers. It also outlines steps to be taken to ensure risk is managed throughout the construction project. Client duties. The client is the individual or organization for whom the construction project is being carried out. There are two types of clients under CDM regulations. 1. Domestic clients. These are individuals that are having work done on their homes or private property and are not part of a business. This can include a house extension, loft conversion, or a new self-built dwelling house. A domestic client's responsibility is transferred to the main contractor, or the principal designer by written agreement. Under CDM regulations, a domestic client does not have any duties and the builder takes on all health and safety responsibilities. Therefore, ensure you have appointed a competent, experienced contractor for your domestic project. 2. Commercial clients. These are typically organizations or individuals for whom a construction project is carried out that is done as part of a business. Unlike a domestic client, a commercial client has certain responsibilities and duties under the CDM regulations, which apply to all projects. These include the following. 1. Appointments. If more than one contractor is working on the project, the client will need to appoint a principal designer and principal contractor. This needs to be done in writing, otherwise, the client will remain legally responsible for the principal contractor and principal designer duties. Ensure each team member is experienced, knowledgeable, and has the skills to deliver the services. Make sure that any principal designer and principal contractor are appointed to carry out their duties in managing the project. Maintain and review the management arrangements for the duration of the project. 2. Client brief. Before the project begins, clients should prepare a brief that outlines the reason for the construction work, what the client is envisioning from the completed project, expectations of how the project will be carried out, and expected health and safety standards. This is used to communicate the expected standards and project requirements to the project team. 3. Time and resources. Clients are required to allow contractors sufficient time and resources to complete the project safely. 4. Site welfare. Ensure suitable welfare facilities are provided for the duration of the construction work. 5. Pre-construction information pack. Clients need to provide all possible information about the construction site or building on which the project will be completed. Information about boundaries and access, existing structures, site security, or health hazards are all examples of pre-construction information that contractors may need to complete the project. 6. The health and safety file. The client must ensure that the principal designer prepares a health and safety file for the project, and that it is revised as necessary, and made available to anyone who needs it for subsequent work at the site. 7. Construction phase plan. Clients need to ensure that the principal contractor prepares a construction phase plan before that phase begins. 8. Notify HSE. The health and safety executive need to be notified of any construction projects that exceed 500 person days, or last longer than 30 working days and have more than 20 people working at the same time at any point. Notifying the HSE is the responsibility of the client. Look out for our next video in this series. Get in touch for more information. Createitstudios Architects. Get your project started today.